Hello. I wanted to share my experience to one of my passenger, and this is the first time out of 21,809 rides that I've encountered this kind of attitude. My routine, I will greet and set the passenger's name and the location where we're going. So to make sure that I pick up the right passenger and I will drop him or her in the right location. But look what I've got in return. But please don't forget to subscribe at Bessie Mabolo. Just wait. The passenger is coming. You know, we don't know who is the passenger, so that's why we want to make sure that I pick up the correct one. And please listen to our conversation.
Hello,
Thank you.
So 1 second, we're going to 1270 Burnaby.
I'm on the phone right now.
No, but I need
Yeah,
to
yeah.
make
You
sure
wanna-
that you.
What?
I wanted to make
Yeah,
sure.
1270 Burnaby Street.
Yeah, I
I know,
always.
but when I'm on the phone, just give me a second, right?
I didn't know. I just want to make
Okay.
sure that
Yeah.
I will drop you off in the correct address.
Yes.
I don't. It's early in the morning. I don't want to make any discussion. And also, when you're calling on Uber, this is our priority. Your destination. I got a lot of passengers.
Oh my goodness. Does he know me?
Address
To talk me that
that
way?
they put the correct one.
I really never encountered this kind of passenger. Ever, never. I hope this is the first and last one. Have a good one and thank you for watching. I can also cancel this ride if I want to. But I didn't do it. I don't know. Really, this is one of a kind.